Welcome to the Sports Trader videos, and this one's on reverse signals. You know, when I've shown you the past in the ebooks and other training videos about reading the market, how I look for certain signals at the top and bottom of the ranges, I'm going to show you something that a lot of you have been struggling with. You say you follow the signals, you do everything right, but the price still moves against you. I'm going to show you why that can sometimes happen and how to avoid it, just what to look for. It's just another little signal that you need to take note of. So we're just going and looking through the graphs here to see what's happened in this race. We've got 7 minutes to go till the start of the race, and it's fairly easy once we go to the ladder to identify where the top and bottom range of each horse is. You can see them clearly marked there. So we see the second favourite is right at the bottom of its range, and everything looks good as per the book and the videos previously to do a lay. So we just steam in there with a lay at 5.2. It's down the bottom of its range, so I'm presuming that price will go up. We'll put the stop loss in there. You see it's jumped up a couple of ticks already, so we've just missed that price, but we'll leave it there and wait and see what happens. I'm more interested in showing you this favourite. You see it's right at the top of its range, and everything I've taught you would indicate that this price is going down, but look at all that money there to lay the horse. 77% of money and 23% to back it. So there's a load of big money queuing up to lay this horse and not a lot to back it. So despite the fact it is at the top of its range, it's quite dangerous to back this horse, because it's more likely, with the current weight of money, you look there at 4.9 and 4.7, that it's going to keep going up. But I'm going to do a bit of a demonstration and see if I can show you what I mean by that. So if I go and place a back bet here at 5, I'll just do a small £10 bet to show you what I'm trying to highlight here. So all the things I've shown previously indicate to back this horse at 5, because it's at the top of its range. It hasn't been any higher really than 5.1. But I'm going to show you why it's a bit dangerous. So I'm going to put a stop loss in there. I think I'll go 3 ticks above it and 3 ticks below it, and we'll see what happens. So I'll go and move that stop loss to 5.3, and then I'll go and move the back bet, the lay bet on the other side, to 4.7. So for me, I would not be backing this horse in this situation because of all that money there. Look at it at 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. There's about £4,000 there, and there's not a whole lot of money to back it at 5.2 and 5.1. So I'll let that run there for a minute. You see I'm still waiting on the second horse with my lay bet at 5.2. It's come back down to us now. So I'll go and put in a back bet there at 5.3 to offset that, and that's matched already. We'll go and jump in again, I think. Take the 283, jump in again there at 5.2. Now you see that favourite's going right up to 5.2. If it goes 1 tick higher, I'm going to be stopped out for that, which shows that despite the fact it was at the top of the range and it did look like a back bet, it was a very dangerous back bet with that much money queued up on the lay side. So you always need to check when you're going to place a back or lay at the top of the range how much money there is. You see on this second favourite, the lay side, I'm laying at 5.1, but there's good money there at 5 to support me. There's 1100 there. So, and you see this third favourite's right in the middle of its range, so it's not really going anywhere. So if this second favourite keeps coming down, the favourite should keep going up, but it hasn't. It's turned at 5.2 and come back. So we'll go and find out why that's happened, because you can't have the first and second favourite coming down without something else going up. So something's going to move in a minute here. You normally see a bit of a 5-10 second delay between a horse steaming in and another one going back up. So here goes the lay bet getting matched on the favourite. Surprisingly, or we got it matched, so the signal was right, even though it looked the wrong thing, and I normally wouldn't do that. But this third favourite has drifted, which has allowed that favourite to come back down a little bit to get us matched, despite all the money on the lay side pretty well pointing us to the opposite. So now we just need the second favourite to go back up, and we should be right. But now you've got a situation where the favourite, the second favourite and the third favourite are all going up, and you see on the right of your screen there the fourth favourite has started to come down. Well, actually with price 7.4, that's the third favourite over there on the right now. It's coming down, and the one here is drifting pretty heavily. So this second favourite has gone back down again, and as long as that third one keeps going up, this one's going to keep going down, and we're just in a very slight losing position here, but it's right at the bottom of the range. So sometimes what I like to do is, you know, even if it starts getting a bit of money and heading back up, is to look to lay it again at that price. But I'd need to be pretty well convinced it's going to go up. There's a bit of money there to back it. It's just disappeared there now, so we'll see what it does. It really looks like it's leveling out here. So we'll jump in again there at 4.8. There's not a lot of money above it, so it's 4.9. We might have just missed this. You see it's good solid leveling out there for us. Yeah, and up it goes. So I just missed it by a couple of seconds, but that's okay. It's the theory of what I'm trying to show you, and that's matched just there at 5.3. So that's nice. And we missed that one. You know, it was a nice 5 or 6 tick swing there. That's okay. So we can do the opposite now and look for it to level out at the top and see when it's going to turn and come back down. And you just watch that by watching the matchsticks on Evo. Good money there at 5.5. It looks like it's turned there. 5.4. It's coming back down. Great money behind us, and we just got another nice little back and lay in there. So now we'll just tidy this up because we're running out of time. So we'll try and get out of that at 5.4. Yeah, it's good money pushing that down, so we should be alright to get that money matched at 5.4. We'll go and cancel that other one down at 4.8. We won't be seeing that again. And here it comes down now to us 5.4, and we're all matched. There's only 30 seconds to go, so that'll do us. So look, we've made £8 on that one. Like I say, you can make £5 to £10 per race doing this. If you just know the signals you're looking for, but even though you know the signals, they're not always what they seem, and if there's a lot of money on one side, it can go against you, so just be careful with it. Good luck.